Okay, so for most of human history, zero didn't exist. And honestly, nobody cared. You don't wake up and think, I have 0 elephants today. You just don't have elephants. Nothing is nothing. Nothing doesn't need paperwork. So for thousands of years, Egypt, Greece, Rome, the greatest civilizations on Earth did all their math with no zero. Built pyramids, conquered continents, wrote philosophy. Zero, never heard of her. The Romans built the Colosseum without it, which is impressive. But try doing long division in Roman numerals sometime. Go ahead, grab a pen. I'll wait. Yeah. So around 300 BC, the Babylonians got frustrated and invented a placeholder symbol, not zero, more like a shrug. A way of writing, something's supposed to be here but isn't. Like a read receipt with no reply. Technically information, emotionally devastating. But then, India, 628 AD. A mathematician named Brahmagupta sits down and does something no human being had ever done before. He looks at nothing, actual nothing, and goes, "What if this was a number though?" And everyone said, "Brahmagupta, buddy, that's not a number. That's the absence of numbers. Please lie down." And he said, "I'm going to write rules for it." And he did. You can add 0, subtract 0, multiply by 0. He worked it all out. He even tried to divide by 0. He got that one wrong. Nobody divides by 0. 0 ends you when you try. Your calculator will literally just say, error, like it's personally offended. Mathematicians to this day go, yeah, we don't do that. Because some things are forbidden. 0 dividing is one of them. But here's the twist nobody tells you. Once 0 is a number, numbers can go below 0. Negatives exist now. And once negatives exist, you can have debt, direction, temperature, loss. The whole concept of less than nothing opens up, and suddenly math can describe the real world. 0 didn't just fill a gap. 0 broke the entire number line open. It travelled from India to the Arab world, got polished up, and then arrived in Europe, where the Catholic Church looked at it and said, absolutely not. Nothing cannot exist, they said. God created everything. There is no nothing. 0 is nothing. Therefore 0 is a lie. Therefore 0 is basically the devil. 0 is heretical, which is genuinely the most metal thing a number has ever been. But you cannot stop a useful idea, especially when merchants get involved, because Fibonacci, yes, the spiral guy, brought the whole Hindu-Arabic system to Europe in the 12th century, and the merchants went absolutely feral for it. You could write numbers in columns, you could carry digits, accounting made sense now, loans made sense, banks appeared, profit margins appeared, capitalism appeared. Was that good? Debatable. But it happened, because of 0, and then Newton and Leibniz invented calculus, which is basically the mathematics of tiptoeing right up to 0 without falling in. And that unlocked physics, and physics unlocked engineering, and engineering unlocked the Industrial Revolution, and then planes, and rockets, and satellites, and computers, which run on binary. Ones and zeros. Zeros. The thing Rome said didn't exist. The thing the church called heresy. The thing one guy in India decided deserved a name in 628 AD. Your phone is a 0. This video is a 0. Every photo, message, transaction, and satellite image of your house on Google Maps. 0. So next time someone tells you you've accomplished nothing today, technically that's the number that built civilization. You're welcome.